Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to the weekend. So I hope you're all going to have a great weekend and happy Saturday. So I'm here with a couple little bundles for you. So it's I need a name for this. Sherry's Saturday bundles. I've been doing it for the last few Saturdays now. I just have been, just the way my organization has been and time has been working out, where I'm able to, I can't do it more than once a week. Really, just don't have time to get it together. But I get together some little bundles that I'm trying to, organize and put in my shop on Saturday mornings. So, last year, like I said before, I went through my books and did those. Not necessarily on Saturdays, but, just got those organized and in my shop. And so now this year is my linen, the year of Sherry's linens. so anyway, I've got a couple bundles for you today that I got together, and there's 10 pieces each, and they are vintage sheets. So I will show you. They're both exactly the same, and they're either are or pretty much are fat quarter sizes, and they will come just like this. They'll come like this with wrapped in a little this little bow, as long as I can get it into the envelope, which I should be able to. Only thing I would be worried about is this way. Of course this way it'll fit, but I'll probably squish it together, tie this a little tighter and squish it together a little bit more, and try to compact it into the envelope so it doesn't get too bulky. But anyway, let me show you what they are. I'm not going to show you both of them because they are exactly the same. So there will be two of them. And so, yeah, there's two of these. This is the only one. There's two of, I ended up with 9 different sheets, but I didn't have a 10th one. I was like, well, 9, I wanted an even number. So I just went ahead and put in 2 of these. And so let me show you so you can get a good look at the pretty. They're all really pretty and have a, pretty pattern on them. And most, I think no, I didn't put, there was one I have another one that was from a pillowcase, but I didn't put that one in here. These are all from sheets. So as you can see, beautiful yellow with yellow and green leaves, yellow flowers. And this is doubled over, so it's folded over double. So you can see that it is a fat quarter size. So 2 of those, and the rest are all singles. So let's just flip through here real quick. This will be a quick video, and then by the time you see this video, they will be in my shop. So there's a second one of that. Okay, so here's another yellow one. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice for summer or fall, really, those colors. Or spring, or any time of year, I would say, if you love that color, right? Which I do. Okay, and here's another yellow. They're not all yellow, but the yellows are on top. So I'm not going to unfold it, but this is like quarter folded, so folded over 4 times. But isn't that a cute one with the tulips? That would be springy, wouldn't it? Yep, very springy and very pretty. And then this one has got this kind of a pinky peach little flower right there, and a light blue. And you've got the little green vines or leaves going in between. But let me show you that one. Here's some. They're not all little tiny ones. There's some like this too. Little groups of flowers. So isn't that cute? Very delicate and pretty. And then here's one with a bigger flower on it. A bigger floral pattern. It's got some peaches and some blues. And of course green leaves. Very, very I'm going to show you both sides so you can get a good idea. This is doubled over, so, but aren't those blues pretty? And then here's the like peachy colored flowers, a little like bouquets or groups of flowers with the stems going in between. There's some leaves. I'm just pointing that out so that you can always fussy cut this if you want, or use it as a whole or in pieces. Here's some with blues, and you've got a little bit of, I'm going to say rust colored, dark orange. So that's a very pretty one. And I'm going to get to the next one. Okay, this one's more of a light pastel kind of colors. Very pretty. Yellows and pinks and blues. And even like this is like a white flower right here with a green outline. There's another white flower there. And here's the other side. That's doubled over. These are all, I tear them apart usually, so you can see the edges are all nicely torn and frayed if you like that look. I do. I find that the easiest way to tear like cottony type cottony type things. Sorry, it's morning. And this one has a kind of an all over floral pattern. Very pretty. Got the pinks and the blues and the yellows, and here's a little like lighter pink, darker pink. Not dark, but darker than this one. And very pretty. Look at those yellows. Look at this one here. It's a bunch of flowers with white with the pinks in between and little centers. Very, very pretty. Nice. I'm going to call them vibrant, even though they're kind of like pastels. They're kind of like vibrant pastels. Let's see now. Okay, so this one I like because it's kind of like roses, or it is roses, and it's it's great. It would be great for I mean, of course you can cut out pieces, but you can is anything like shabby chic with roses. This would be really pretty. Lots of green leaves there, and just very good all over pattern. So that was very pretty. And then the last one is really cute. It's a nice fresh lemony type fabric. So cool. I like this one because you don't see lemons very often. And actually it's lemons and limes, isn't it? So you've got the green and the yellow. See, here's a whole one here. Whole lemon, whole lime. And then the slices. Very fresh and pretty. Oh, here's a lemon with, a lime with the end cut off. So very, kind of different. Like I said, I don't see lemons too often. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh, lemons. You know, who doesn't love a fresh lemon, design? So, yep, that is it. Quick and painless here this morning. And so I'll get these in my shop. And like I said, when you see this video, they will be there. And 10 pieces each of fat quarter size pretty much. And I want to thank everyone who's been buying my bundles. I appreciate it because that just gives me more room to organize, as I, put things in my shop and they go out the door. It's really appreciated. So thank you for watching today. I really hope you have a great weekend and that it's super nice weather for you. And I will see you next time. Happy crafting.